Imagine unlocking the secret to tripling your earnings on Fiverr with just a few simple tweaks to your affiliate marketing content. Miss this, and you're leaving money on the table. In the realm of affiliate marketing on platforms like Fiverr, understanding your audience isn't just a good practice, it's your secret weapon. You're not just throwing content into the void and hoping it sticks. You're crafting messages and offers that speak directly to the heart of your potential buyers. Think about it. When you know what your audience craves, needs, or loses sleep over, you can tailor your content to resonate with them on a deeply personal level. This isn't about making a quick sale. It's about building trust, loyalty, and ultimately a community around what you offer. Why is this so crucial, you ask? Because in the digital age, personalization is king. People are bombarded with thousands of marketing messages every day, but only the ones that feel uniquely relevant break through the noise. When you align your affiliate content with the specific desires and pain points of your audience, you're no longer another face in the crowd. You're the person who's handing them a solution on a silver platter. Now, picture two scenarios. In one, you blast a generic, one-size-fits-all message about your Fiverr gig. It gets some attention, sure, but it's mostly lost in the sea of countless other offers. In the other scenario, you've done your homework. You know your audience like the back of your hand, their challenges, their dreams, and what makes them tick. Your content speaks directly to them, offering exactly what they've been searching for. The difference in results can be staggering. But how do you begin to understand your audience at this level? Start simple. Look at your most successful competitors. What kind of content are they creating? What problems are they solving? Jump into forums, social media groups, and other online spaces where your potential buyers hang out. Listen more than you speak. The gold is in the questions they ask and the problems they discuss. Now think about your own content. Are you addressing those very questions? Are you providing solutions to those problems? Understanding your audience is akin to mastering chess. It's all about strategic moves and anticipating their needs. Imagine you're a detective piecing together clues from various sources to build a comprehensive picture of who your audience really is. Much like Sherlock Holmes, you'll start by observing. Head over to Fiverr and peruse the categories that align with your services. Notice the trending gigs, particularly those with high reviews. They're your gold mine for understanding what your audience loves. Next, your investigation goes deeper. Social media isn't just for scrolling through memes or catching up on gossip. It's a rich soil where your audience's preferences bloom. Follow hashtags related to your services on platforms like Twitter and Instagram. You'll be surprised by the conversations, questions, and feedback that users openly share. This real-time data is invaluable for tailoring your offerings to match the market's pulse. Now let's don a lab coat and move into some analytical work. Tools like Google Trends can show you exactly what your potential clients are searching for. Are they looking for minimalist logo designs or perhaps SEO, content writing? The patterns you identify here will guide your content creation on Fiverr, ensuring you're not just a voice in the wilderness, but a beacon for those seeking your expertise. After gathering all this intel, the magic begins. Craft your Fiverr gig descriptions like a story that speaks directly to your audience's needs and desires. Use the language they use, address their pain points, and showcase the solutions you offer. Remember, it's not about selling, it's about connecting and solving a problem. And finally, engage. Join forums and social media conversations related to your field, not just as a spectator, but as an active participant. Offer advice, share insights, and most importantly, listen. The feedback and questions you receive are direct insights into what your audience is seeking. Now for the clincher, ask yourself, is my Fiverr gig speaking my audience's language, and am I truly offering what they're searching for? Reflect on this, engage with your potential clients, and watch as your Fiverr gig transforms from just another service into a sought-after solution. What's one change you think could dramatically increase engagement with your offerings? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Creating content that captures your audience's attention amidst a sea of digital noise demands more than just expertise. It requires strategy and creativity. Imagine you're scrolling through your feed. What makes you stop and click? Often it's an engaging headline, It's not just about being catchy, it's about connecting instantly with what you're seeking or what intrigues you. Think of your headline as the gatekeeper of your content. It should promise value, evoke curiosity, or solve a problem, all while being concise and to the point. Now, once you've enticed readers with your headline, how do you keep them hooked? Storytelling. This age-old technique isn't just for books. It's a powerful tool that can transform your content. Instead of bombarding your audience with facts and data, weave a story around that information. Share a customer's journey or a personal anecdote that your audience can relate to. This not only makes your content more engaging, but also helps your message resonate on a deeper emotional level. But how can you prove that your content or offering is as effective as you claim? This is where testimonials and case studies come into play. They act as social proof, providing real-world examples of how your product or service has benefited others. Hearing or reading about someone's positive experience with your brand builds trust and credibility, encouraging others to engage with your content and ultimately your product or service. Now, I want you to think about the last time you engaged with a piece of content because it stood out to you. What was it about that content that grabbed your attention? Was it a compelling headline, a captivating story, or was it the assurance of a testimonial? Reflect on this as we explore how to create standout content that not only draws attention, but also holds it, turning casual browsers into engaged readers and customers. What's one element you'll focus on to elevate your content above the rest? Crafting engaging content isn't merely about sharing information, it's about creating a relatable narrative. Picture yourself as a busy entrepreneur seeking assistance. Fiverr, a freelancer platform, seems promising, but how do you navigate it efficiently? Clear, concise content acts as your guide, offering straightforward instructions akin to a reliable map in an unfamiliar city. You need practical directions, not a detailed history of every street. Recall your first encounter with something entirely unfamiliar. Likely you sought out the clearest, most direct instructions. That's precisely how your content should guide users through Fiverr. Begin by identifying their task, graphic design or copywriting, for instance. Then lead them through finding the ideal freelancer using concise steps and bullet points for clarity. The aim is to instill confidence and prompt action. It's crucial to infuse your content with empathy. Acknowledge the challenges your audience faces and show them how Fiverr can alleviate some of those pain points. Maybe share a brief story about a business owner who transformed their operation by finding the perfect freelancer on Fiverr. Real-life examples are incredibly persuasive because they help the audience visualize success. Finally, always end with a call to action. It's like when you're reading a thrilling novel and you can't wait to turn the page. Your content should incite that same eagerness. Maybe something like, ready to take the plunge and find the perfect freelancer to rocket your business to the next level. Head over to Fiverr and turn your business dreams into reality. Now, I'm curious, what's one task you've been putting off because you felt overwhelmed? How could a freelancer on Fiverr help you tackle it? Consider grasping the complexity of our rainforest ecosystem. Would you rather decipher it from a lengthy article or absorb it through a vibrant infographic? Visual elements like infographics, short videos, and animations simplify intricate information while making it more engaging. Here's the secret: our brains are wired to process visuals way faster than text. When you see an image, your brain can interpret it in as little as 13 milliseconds. This is why adding visual elements to explain difficult concepts can significantly enhance understanding and retention. Think about learning the process of photosynthesis. A short clip showing the sun's energy being absorbed by a leaf and converted into food for the plant, complete with visual and audio cues, makes the information live in your memory. But it's not just about understanding, it's about engagement too. Have you ever found yourself scrolling past large blocks of text, but stopping at a video or an interesting infographic? That's because visuals are more likely to catch and keep our attention. They can evoke emotions, driving home a point much more powerfully than words alone. Whether it's a compelling video clip that shows the impact of climate change or an infographic illustrating the steps to start your own business, visuals make learning and understanding smoother, more efficient, and definitely more fun.